Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is DigiHacks with Polly, where we learn more to earn more. So today I want us to look at a platform called Indeed that offers various kind of jobs, and it is hiring. So let's dive right in and see how it works. So yeah, let us look at the platform. And when you search Indeed, this is what you get. This is the platform. So you click on it. So if you click here, this is your profile. So you need to ensure you have a very nice profile, and that is what will sell you. So if you click on this profile, you can be able to edit it, and also you can have a resume that is you can either upload it or you can do it from this particular platform. And once you've been reviewed, the reviews will show here, and yeah, you can navigate through that to see more. So once you have filled your profile, you come here and find job. So when you click find job, where are you finding job from? Yeah, so just rate remote, right? Remote. You're looking for job anywhere, then don't put anything here. Don't be specific from which country or city you want. So just click on search. Now you will see a lot of jobs here that are posted. So let us look at the various filters that you can input. You can filter the date posted, the locations, the company, if it's remote, the salary estimate that you want, posted by either an employer or a staffing agency, experience level. If you are an entry level, you can see there are 78,354 jobs. Mid level, there are 87,175 jobs. And if you're senior level, there are 29,674 jobs. And if you have no experience at all, there are jobs that doesn't require any experience, and there are 1175. Okay, then here you can filter in terms of education, and if you have a bachelor's degree, you can choose master's degree, doctoral degree, associate's degree, high school degree. So you can choose from this one here, right? So let us try and find a job and see if we can find one, right? So let's see, there's a job here, remote customer service chat, right? This is a virtual assistant, and the company is called Wayfair. So if you're a virtual assistant, you can try this. Okay, if you're looking for a transcription job, there's a transcription job here at Allergies Transcription, and Allergies is another transcription platform that you can apply for work from there. And then if you're looking for data entry jobs, there's a data entry job posted here by Conduent. It's a company in London, right? So there are a lot of jobs. Let us try to apply for this job, transcription job, because now we are interested in transcription. There's a description of the position. You can just go through this to understand what is required. So this is a description, a short description of allergies. So the skills required for this particular job, you can read through them here. You need to have ability to consistently and independently transcribe multi-speaker audio recordings, right? You need to have fast and accurate typing and word processing. You have to have excellent spelling, grammar, and punctuation skills. Also, you need to have proofreading and editing skills. So you can read through all these. Yeah. So all of these requirements, you need to have them in your cover letter so that they can consider you. Okay. So yeah, once you read through that, now you click on apply. Now it takes you to Allergies Transcription. You click on. These are the same details that we were reading before. So once you've read through all that, you click on apply. Now it takes you here. If this is your first time logging into Allergies Transcription, you need now to create an account. Okay. So for me, because this is not my first time, I will click on login. Then I input my email. Now it has logged me into allergies transcription. Now we'll come here and click on submit. So it prompts me that a resume is required for the position, so we need to click here. Okay, now we come and input the details here. So the job title is transcriptionist, and application dates. So your first name, I do not have a middle name, the last name, so you input all this data. Okay, so here now you need to upload your resume. Okay, and you will just click here and then select the resume that you want. Okay, and then there's another option for documentation. Okay, other documents includes acknowledgements, application assessments, questionnaire. So for you here, you need to upload two things. One is if you have any other certificate, if you have college transcripts, you can input them here. I will advise you guys to have a cover letter for this particular job. A cover letter will speak volumes for you. So now let me show you the cover letter that I have for this particular job. This is my resume that I created for allergies. So yeah, I'm writing to, and the company is in the United States, so I'm writing to the hiring manager. So I'm writing to express my strongest interest in the transcription job at Allergies Transcription Service. With my exceptional transcription skills and commitment to deliver high quality job, I believe I would be an excellent addition to your team transcriptionists. To a team of transcriptionists, So since 1996, so this is a small description of me showing the company that I have read about their background. Then you tell them I have an extensive experience in transcribing multi-speaker. Remember they had requested that someone should have the knowledge of transcribing multi-speaker audio recordings. Okay, so you need to let them know that you have extensive experience in transcribing multi-speaker audio recordings in the legal and insurance domains. Ensure you don't copy my cover letter. This is just a sample of what I have come up with. Okay, so if they look at this, they will be sure that you are up to the task, right? So you can end the cover letter by saying I'm excited about the prospect of joining Allergies Transcription Services and contributing to your ongoing success. Thank you for considering my application. I have attached my resume for your review, and I would welcome the opportunity to further discuss my qualifications with you. So here now you see you've got them to action. Yeah. Now, please feel free to contact me at your earliest convenience. All right. So that is a very nice cover letter that have all the details of what you possess, and if they read through this, they can tell that you can actually deliver. Okay. Now, once you have all that ready, you need now to click on submit. But ensure you filled all these documents. So here you will select cover letter. Select document that you want to upload. So my cover letter is there. So yeah, so once you filled all these documents here, then you submit all your application. Once you submit your application, you will get an email from Indeed that telling you that you've submitted a job for transcription at Allergies, and they will get back to you. Okay, so that is it, guys. You can try this platform, and if you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.